How to change text color in Photopea. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change text color in Photopea. It's super simple, so let's get started. You need to open up your browser, and once in the browser, in the search bar, you need to type photopea.com. Now that you're in Photopea, you can see the several options over here. You need to simply go ahead and click on text option that says type tool. Then you need to click on type tool again. From here, you can simply go ahead and type anything that you want. I'm going to type, hey, what's happening? Now, once you have typed it, let's say you want to change the font color of this one. You can do this simply by clicking on the color option over here. From here, you can go ahead and select any color that you want. Let's say I want to keep it this color. Then you need to simply go ahead and click on OK. And as you can see that the font color has been now changed. And that's it. You now know how to change the font color in Photopea. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.